We are now in chapter 7 where logo commands is being discussed in previous 3 classes. Some logo commands still left. That is, what is the function of clear screen command? This command is used to clear the screen so that a new drawing may be created. The short form of clear screen is CS. So, in the previous class, we have drawn a square. But still the square is there on the main screen. So, suppose I want to draw something new. So, it is not possible now. So, we have to clean the screen. As like one class is over and another teacher comes and clear the blackboard or green board and start to write that particular subject's content. Same way, to draw the new things, we have to clear the screen first. So, what is the command to clear the screen or clear the shape from the screen? The command is either clear screen, it is quite long one. So, you can use the short form of this, that is called CS. So, I am writing CS. CS. And always remember, after typing any command or primitive, you have to press enter key, otherwise the command will not be functioning. Press enter. See, the picture has gone or erased. Now still in the recall list box, we have the commands which I have written previously. I have to erase those commands also. So what is the command to clear the text or the commands from there? That is clear text, just after the clear screen. This command is used to clear the text appearing in the recall list box. Short form of clear text is CT. When we write clear text or CT command in the input box of MSW and execute it, then a screen should appear as shown below. As you give CT or clear text commands, the screen will be just like that way that has given in your book. So let's type CT command and check what is going on. CT, and what we have to press at last? Enter. See, the screen is as exact as has given in your book. Now my main screen is clean, ready to draw the next shape. My text box, command input box is also clean, ready to accept the commands also. When we are drawing the shapes, basically we are typing few simple commands like FD, RT, BK and LT. But when we are drawing a complicated shape or where the same thing is repeating, as like I have shown you that to draw a square, I have to repeat the commands FD and RT for 4 times. So we can draw the same things by avoiding the repetition of the word by another command. That is called repeat command. Still it is not given in your book, but for your knowledge I am just telling that to avoiding the repetition of work, we can use another command that is called repeat command. By that way, where the same commands is repeatedly using, by writing at a single time, we can do the same job. So let's see how it is going on. Suppose I am drawing a square, the same shape by FD command and RT90 command. So how to do this? I have to write repeat command at first. R E P E A T, repeat. Then third bracket, you can get the third bracket there. Repeat, 1 space. Then how many times the same things has repeated? 4 times. So repeat 4. Understood? Third bracket I need. Then which command I need to draw a square? Same commands but 1 time only. FD, 1 space, 60. Another space, RT, space, 90. Third bracket close. Enter. See, by typing one time with repeat command the shape has come. Previously I have to write the command for 8 times FD to that manner. Here only, so repeat command used to minimize our work, and it is very much easier to write to this manner. Only first I need repeat command, then how many steps it will repeat that number, then no space. Remember that repeat one space the number, how many steps it will be repeated, then no space third bracket, then no space FD, one space the number, how many steps it will go forward, or BK, whatever this there, then one space RT, one space 90, then third bracket close. In this manner it is very easy to do. If you practice more, this will be very much easier to you. So which of the commands we have done from this chapter, FD, RT, BK, LT, CT, CS, these are the most common commands, and also repeat. Still repeat is not there, but you can use this to do the work in a easier manner. So these commands, home command are also there, and HT to hide the turtle. So, and to bring the turtle back on the screen, that is ST command. ST and HT, show the turtle and hide the turtle. So by using this command you can draw any shapes whatever we need. So keep practicing the simple shapes at home. As an activity I will send to you some of the shape, practice those shapes also. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the chapter. In the next chapter we are going to learn something new. So until then, bye bye.